In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Calendar visibility step by step so you can decide exactly who can see your schedule and what details they can view. This is really useful if you want to share a calendar publicly, keep it private, or simply control whether people can only see when you're free and busy or see full event details. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the calendar page, look at the left-hand side under My Calendars. This is where Google lists all the calendars connected to your account. If you manage more than one calendar, take a moment here to choose the exact calendar you want to update, because each calendar can have its own visibility settings. Next, hover over the calendar name and click the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. A menu will appear, and from that menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will open the settings page for that specific calendar, where you can manage permissions, notifications, sharing options, and visibility controls. Now scroll down until you find the section called Access Permissions for Events. This is the key area where Google Calendar lets you decide whether your calendar can be seen publicly or kept private. If you want the calendar to be visible to anyone on the internet, check the box that says Make Available to Public. Once you enable this, Google will give you additional options for how much information other people can view. If you want to limit what others can see, choose See Only Free, Busy, Hide the Details. This means people will be able to tell when you are available or occupied, but they won't see event titles, notes, locations, or other details. This is a great option if you want to share availability without revealing sensitive information. If you want the public to see more information, select See All Event Details instead. This allows anyone with access to your public calendar to view the names of events, times, and other visible details you've added. Just remember that once you make a calendar public, that information can be seen by anyone who has the link or can access the calendar publicly, so always double check before enabling it. If you do not want your calendar public at all, simply leave Make Available to Public unchecked. That keeps the calendar private and ensures only the people you specifically share it with can access it. For most users, this is the safest option unless you are intentionally sharing a schedule, class calendar, team calendar, or booking availability page. After choosing the visibility setting that matches your needs, your changes should save automatically. To be safe, take one last look and confirm that the correct option is enabled. If you're setting up a public calendar, test it by opening it in another browser or asking someone else to confirm what they can see. That way, you know your permissions are working the way you expect. And that's it. You've now learned how to change Google Calendar visibility, whether you want to make a calendar public, hide event details, or keep everything private. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.